Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enter a bank statement in Tally Prime fast. If you're an accountant, business owner, or finance professional, entering bank transactions manually can take a lot of time. In this video, we'll look at the fastest shortcuts and methods that can help you speed up bank statement entry in Tally Prime. So let's get started. The ultimate shortcut, auto-import Alt+O. The absolute fastest way to enter a bank statement is to skip manual entry altogether. Tally Prime supports importing bank statements directly. Navigate to the banking menu. Press Alt+O Import menu. Select Bank Statement. Select your Excel file. Note, Tally requires the file to be in a specific Excel format. If your bank only provides PDFs, use a tool like Parsify to instantly convert the PDF into a Tally-ready Excel file before using this shortcut. Voucher entry shortcuts. If you must enter transactions manually, for example, for a very short statement, use these keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. F4 Contra, for cash deposits and withdrawals from the bank. F5 Payment, for all outgoing bank payments. F6 Receipt, for all incoming funds to the bank. Control A, to immediately accept and save the voucher without tabbing through every field. Alt+C, to instantly create a new ledger if a transaction involves a new party or expense head. Using bank reconciliation, Alt+R. If the entries are already in Tally but need to be reconciled with the bank dates. Open the bank ledger display. Press Alt+R to open the bank reconciliation screen. Type the bank dates rapidly and press Enter to move down the list. These shortcuts can help you save time, improve accuracy, and make your daily accounting work much more efficient, especially when handling large numbers of bank transactions. And that's it. This is how you can enter a bank statement in Tally Prime fast. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.